So it's time for another gardening week, and really I'm just going to do the harvest again this week just because I'm in catch-up mode and still not feeling so good. So let's just fly through this. So at the back there we've got kales, and then some more kales at the back there. Very last of the potatoes, actually not looking too bad given how old they are. But we've also got the new potatoes. I was really pleased to pick those this week because Debbie said that although these are quite edible, she's really looking forward to new potatoes. So it was, it was really nice to get those picked. And I also picked some carrots. I've only got enough carrots at the moment for the salads. So we're going to eat golden beetroot instead of carrots for a few weeks. And still are until the size of these carrots kind of picks up to be big enough for cooking. I mean, obviously you could cook with these, but it's a bit of a waste to do that. So next up, we've got the Crown Prince squash. And actually, the little courgettes in the greenhouse coming on really nicely. So I'm quite happy that we will have courgettes in time for when we run out of these Crown Prince, and I think I've got 3 weeks supply left of those. Purple sprouting broccoli still looking beautiful. I'm really happy with the purple sprouting broccoli this year, and it's, I just love picking it. I've got to say, it's a real treat. And same really with the calabrese. So I've got little calabrese side shoots from outside. From plants that I harvested the main heads from a while ago, and then I've got these big heads here which you can just see me harvesting those from the polytunnel, and those are absolutely gorgeous. And I've got quite a lot actually of calabrese still to come, and quite a few cauliflowers as well. So that's the calabrese, and then these are the cauliflowers, just 2 this week. I am hoping for some purple ones within the next 2 or 3 weeks, and we'll see whether I manage that. And then we've got the green garlic, which is beautiful. And as I always say, I love green garlic because you get to eat this whole garlicky stem here, which it's quite a bang for a buck. One little clove of garlic gives you all of that to eat in spring. And then we've got some leeks, some Savoy cabbage, some Brussels sprout leaves, and all of this various different types of kale there, and a few more purple sprouting broccolis, and a few elephant garlics, and as I said, some beetroot, and some onions from the store, and a spring cabbage, and then the spinach. Still quite a lot of spinach, but what I'm most impressed with actually is this spinach here, which I picked from a bed. I think I planted it 3 weeks ago, and it's really looking lovely at the moment. So I'm going to try and keep on top of the harvest of that, so that the leaves are sort of moderate size, a good enough size for using in the salad mixes anyway. So yeah, really happy with that. And there's loads of other spinach down here. And then I've got some pea shoots, and they're okay. Honestly, I'm not a massive fan of pea shoots, but they make a nice change in the salads. But we've got peas, but unfortunately we've also got lots of grandkids, and the grandkids were around yesterday, and so they absolutely rifled through all of the pea plants, and so I think I've only got about 10 left to pick for this week, but there's plenty on. It's just all the good ones have gone. But I'm really pleased to have peas at this time of year, so 2 or 3 weeks earlier than I normally have them, and I think I can do better than that next year. And salad onions looking beautiful, and wild rocket, and Asian greens. So these are the ones I picked for the salad mixes, and again they're looking pretty nice. And then the lettuces. So I'm going to make up the lettuces with obviously make up the salad mixes with these lettuce bases and the Asian greens and the peas and the pea shoots and the wild rocket and the carrots and a little bit of the spinach. And then I always add grapes and tomatoes to that. And my tomatoes are not quite ready yet, so I have to use supermarket ones. Anyway, there you go. That's all that finished up for you. So next week, I'm going to start making videos again, and I'm going to start with the tours because I'm miles behind. So I'll do a plot tour, Debbie's plot tour as well, and the kitchen garden tour and seedling progress video, and then we'll be on to May. So yeah, my name's Steve. This is the Seaside Kitchen Garden and Allotment channel. So I'll see you soon.